Hello everyone and welcome to back to my channel. In this video I will be reviewing all of the toe cap races. So just a quick summary. Toe cap basically will be the car equivalent of condom basically, which is can't really say, can I? I might get a strike. But who cares? So, the three races here are Rusty Cornfuel, DePost, and J.D McPillar. My favourite's Jack. Now, let's start with Rusty Cornfuel. So, he grew up on a farm in Mississippi. He ran a racing circuit there with his buddies. Rusty won most of the races and always made enough profit from the events to sponsor himself professionally. Luckily, a sponsor came along, obviously Toe Cap. Now Rusty can spend his own money on more important things, like flying his buddies from the farm to every race. So, as you can see, yeah, obviously, see, number 4, he got very nice, purple and white, which made, surprisingly, go well, quite nicely, if I'm honest. Obviously, number 4, and unlike some other sponsors, Revolting, Octane, they had a number change, but this one that didn't. So obviously, black rims, white signs, number 4, toe cap, hitch protectors, obviously, condoms, car condoms, so, and obviously, contingency sponsors, obviously, Piston Cup, Nitro Age, Rouge Springs Revolting, Octane Gay, No Stall, Vitaline Gaskets, Gasper and Easy Idle, RPM Ultra Pistons, there you get it. Same thing like every Piston Cup race, same contingency sponsors, every Carbon Piston Cup race, like Winford, Beer, obviously same contingency sponsors as Rusty, Fax Winford. Then we went on to the back where, not too much really. Now now Rusty is the nitrate model, and they're called that, and it's called that because he can actually, he was the cars on Nitro Racer, and that's what new. He was the first one of his model to be released, and here's an example of another one of Nitro models. Here, as you can see, Ralph Carlo. You have the same model, and there was obviously the Weak Class, and the RPM model, which are the other two Cars 1 Piston Cup models. And now moving on to my favourite, Jack, the Post. Now, as you can see, he's we're fairly similar to Rusty, obviously with a slightly different contingency, with slightly different. Yeah, well this time the contingency sponsors are, they're less. With Vitaline, Revolting, Nitrate, RPM, Octane Gain, and Clutch Aid. And obviously there's a little red arrow here, obviously indicating to his pitties where to pick him up. So obviously change his tyres and whatever. Now, unlike Rusty, now as you can see, the toe cap logo is slightly bigger than Rusty's, and it's also slightly different as well. So look, there you go. There you go, as you can see, slightly different. Thanks again, thanks Rusty. Then, number 4 seems to be slightly smaller than Rusty's. Then purple appears to be lighter and has less white on the sides. Move around to the, and then okay, then here you can see toe cap. Then moving to the back, well, still not much. Well, see logo, hitch protector. And now let's move on to JD, where unlike the other two, he had different colours, green and blue, which obviously the other two don't have. Oh, and I think Jack DePost, isn't he Bobby Swift model? Well, I think he is anyway. Yeah, pretty he is, isn't he? Then J.D, I think he's the Tim Chedless model, I'd like to say. Yeah, I think he is anyway. So I'll say, Danny Swerve's model, Tim Chedless. I don't know. Just carrying on the review. So, as you can see, very different from the other two. Obviously, you see green trim, and this time he has grey rims and like black rims on the other two. Then obviously, still number 4, and the contingency, and this time the contingency sponsors are our Cars Free only sponsors. So, Combustor, Carbon Cyber, and Synergy. And then toe cap, yeah. Obviously, it's the little toe cap here, which obviously what the product is. And then top, yeah, love him, lovely. I mean, not well, yeah. Then obviously toe cap on the spoiler and little green little thingies. No, not to mention he has a yellow rookie stripe. So obviously meant to signify he's a rookie, which all the other next gens have. No go Jack, as you can see. He also has yellow rookie stripes. Nick Shift. Oh well, I just realised these 3 here are the same model, but I'll save these 2 for another review. Ha! Accidentally rhymed. I'm a person, I don't know it. And so yeah, so pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.